Okay, so tuone how to create business intelligent web dashboard kwa kutumia Python programming language na Django. Django ni free open source high level web framework. Hii ni episode number 2. Kwenye hii episode tutaona how to download Django, how to start a new Django web project, how to start a new Django application, how to create Django virtual environment, how to connect Django and MySQL database, how to download free open source admin LTE theme, how to perform project configurations, how to perform model migrations, how to run project at the first time. Okay, so tutafanya haya kwenye real world situations. So hii ni just a project demo ambayo tulionyesha kwenye previous episode. Our project is loan management system as a case study. Ni business intelligent ambayo inafanya analytics. Okay, so nikijaribu kukumbusha, nikiclick on customers, now here ni list of customers. Okay, so on dashboard hii ni just a business trends. Okay, then on analytics now you can see this is analytics. Okay, so hivi vyote tulifanya kwenye previous episode. Now how to start this project. Now step number 1. So na hizi hapa just a procedures. Hizi procedures unataka uzifuate hizi procedures zote, so usiskip procedure hata moja. Step number 1, create virtual environment. Okay, so now unaenda kwenye any directory within your computer, any directory, for example hapa. Okay, by then njoo kwenye directory address bar and highlight, then delete kile kilichopo, then write cmd. Okay, so cmd is command prompt. Okay, then click enter. So command prompt ni hii hapa ishakuwa opened. Okay, so step number 1, create virtual environment. What is virtual environment? Virtual environment ni environment ambayo inawezesha your project to run kwenye independent machine. Tumesema kama tunafanya hivi kwenye real world situations, not just for learning, real world. So now tuna create virtual environment ili project yetu tukaifanya kurun kwenye independent machine. Okay, so now to create a virtual environment, now copy this source code. So highlight, right click and click copy. Okay, after then open command prompt ambayo ni hii command prompt. Okay, then paste. So Python, then -m virtual environment. This is a virtual environment name, can be any name. Okay, can be any name. After then click enter to execute. Okay, so click enter. Okay, so now after clicking enter, now you can see in our directory virtual environment has been created. Hii ni directory. After running command to create virtual environment, now virtual environment directory has been created. Okay, so now double click to open virtual environment directory. Okay, now you can see we have include, we have lib, we have script. Now open on lib. On lib we have site packages. Okay, so now double click to open. So all site packages will be installed here. For example, pip and so on. So many packages that were installed hapa. Okay, so now we can use pip to install other commands. Okay, such as Django. So that is step number 1, create a virtual environment. Step number 2, activate virtual environment. Okay, so now we run this command on Windows. Okay, and this is for Linux. So now copy it and come to command prompt, then paste. Okay, so virtual environment, this is our project or virtual environment directory ambayo tumecreate ambayo ni hii hapa. Okay, so make sure hapa ni virtual environment, then access script, then activate. What is script? Okay, script is a directory within our virtual environment. Okay, so now to debug again. Okay, this is a script. So when you open script, now we access a file inaitwa activate. So on virtual environment, access script, activate. So activate this one, okay, activate, it activates virtual environment. So now click enter to execute. Now good. So virtual environment has been activated, okay. So now you can see hapa imechange from root level, local disk C, users, my computer name and so on. So now you can see we are in the virtual environment, okay. Okay, so now good. Another step number 3, now use pip command to install Django. What is pip? Pip is a command inside our virtual environment. As you see, we have pip, then this is pip 3 version 3 and so on. So we use pip to install other libraries, okay. So a command to install Django is this one, okay. So kumbuka Django umesha install, lakini umeinstall kwenye mashine yako wewe mwenyewe, lakini hapa tuna install kwenye virtual environment, okay. So hakikisha una install. So I think I need to copy it, pip install Django, okay. So copy it and come to command prompt, then paste, then click enter. After clicking enter, now you can see in a collect hizo dependence and installation it start soon, okay. Okay, so now I open hapo kwenye hii our virtual environment, nikija back, okay, nikija hapa kwenye lib, open lib. Now you open here hapa site packages, okay. So now open it. Now you can see Django has been installed, okay. We have Django na hii hapa another Django directory, okay. So installation procedure imeshakuwa completed na Django has been installed successful. Now you can see Django imekuwa installed successful. That is the step number 3. Now you can check your Django version. Now copy it, copy source code. Now copy, open what this one, command prompt. Now paste it. Python -m Django, then version. Now click it. Now you can see our Django version is version number 5, okay. Good. So step number 4, now start new Django project. Start a new Django project, okay. So now change directory to your virtual environment as well. So now come, okay. So now currently tupo kwenye this location, okay. Now tupo kwenye this location, okay, this location ambayo hii, okay. Let's close it. Tupo kwenye this location, our virtual environment directory ambayo hii. So write cmd, then click enter, okay. Now tupo kwenye this location, okay. So now hapa tuna create a new Django project. First one, change directory to virtual environment. So now cd is change directory, okay. Change directory to virtual environment, then space, then virtual environment, our directory, okay. So now click enter. Now tupo ndani ya hii directory, okay. After changing directory, another step is to start a new Django project. So the command is Django-admin start a project, your project name, okay. So now copy it hapa, okay, copy it, okay. So now come to command prompt, okay, hapo, then paste. So Django-admin start a project, then my project name, for example, is project, my project name, okay. After doing so, click enter to execute. Now good, a project has been created. Now when I navigate kwenye directory virtual environment, double click it to open. Now you can see project has been created. So I double click it to open. Now I have manage.py. Inside the project, this is the project files. I have settings, URLs and so on, okay. So now go back again. So tupo kwenye hii sehemu, okay. So now after then tuna open project. Inside the project humu ndani tuna create our application, okay. So now enter your project. then change directory, then your project name. So hapo nakuja hapa naandika cd is change directory to my project name. My project name is project. So now cd is change directory to project. After then click what? Click enter to execute. Now currently nipo kwenye my project. Okay, so now nipo kwenye humu kwenye hii my project. Okay, so inside my project I create a new Django application. Okay, so now command is this one, python manage.py start application, then your app name. Okay, so now copy it. Now come to command prompt again, hapa just ina paste python manage.py start app, then your application name, my application name for example app, right? After then I click enter to execute. Now good, so app has been created. What is another step? Another step, now we can try run Django. So a command to run Django is, let's check it, python python then manage.py then run saver. Okay, now good, run saver. After then click enter. Now good, now you can see saver in a run kwenye this address, starting development at, this is the loopback address. Okay, localhost as well. So now copy this URL. Now open your web browser. Okay, so copy whatever. For example, now let's copy currently my program in a run here. Just stop it. I have a project current in a run. Stop it. Okay, now close and run this new project. So meta kwenye hii address. Okay, then click enter. Now you can see Django, the installation of Django imekuwa successful. Okay, so now we do not need this, we need material design. What is material design? We need this one, admin LTE theme. Okay, so in order to use admin LTE theme, we have a site kwa ajili ya kuzitumia kwa ajili ya kupata admin LTE theme. As the first site ni hii hapa, Pipe ni free open source Python site kwa ajili ya kudownload Python packages. Okay, so here you could download free open source package ya kwanza ni admin LTE. Another package is for data science, for machine learning, for whatever. Okay, so here unaweza search any package admin LTE and then click enter to run. Okay, after clicking enter, now you can see a number of admin LTE. Now you can see a number of admin LTE. Now you can go next to see more. Okay, so admin LTE 3, and this is Django. So hapa na alter. Okay, so it's Django admin LTE 3. Now click enter. Good, so now you can see admin LTE 3. There are so many. So whatever unaweza click, for example this one, now you can see installation procedures. But tayari mimi nilisha just open admin LTE, nilisha find ambao hii. The command is pip install Django admin LTE. Okay, that is a command. And demo application is this one. This is application demo. This is a package you can install. Okay, this is the demo. Documentation ni hii hapa. Okay, so now let's proceed. So another step is admin LTE theme installation. So installation maana ni kwamba unaweza ka visit kwenye documentation ya admin LTE 3. Okay, so now good. So a command ni hii hapa, pip install Django admin LTE, the same this command. Okay, so using admin LTE 105, I think this is good. So now let's copy it, the same command, access our command prompt. Now current our project in a run, press Control button and press C to supisha yo, then paste the command pip install Django admin LTE, then click enter to execute. Now installation imeanza installation. Okay, I think I need to activate my virtual environment. Now we need to activate the virtual environment, so this is a command to activate our virtual environment here. Okay, I think what we activate our virtual environment here. Okay, so now good. Let's go back, close it, let's close it. Okay, and let's open again Hubble. Okay, and open command prompt cmd and paste. Okay, to activate a virtual environment has been activated. I think packages imekuwa installed. We have in lib, inside packages we have Django, no admin LTE. Okay, so now let's copy it, this one. Okay, and come to paste again. Okay, sababu lazima activate virtual environment ndo urani hiyo command. Okay, so now installation ime start. Now you can see collecting Django admin LTE, and then the size is 21.3 MB. Okay, so now good. So make sure installations zote zipo kwenye virtual environment. Isome hivi, isisome hivi. Okay, ikisoma hivi maana tupo kwenye normal machine na library zote zitaenda kwenye normal machine. So make sure kwamba upo within virtual environment. Okay, so ndo unaweza ka install dependency library, otherwise usifanye. Okay, so now good. So now admin LTE installation steps zimeanza. Now singija hapa kwenye site packages, niki refresh, now you can see soon itaonekana admin LTE, soon itaonekana. Okay, so now good. After installation now of admin LTE, I think inaendelea. Another step is path to project URLs. Okay, so now come to our project here kwenye this one. Okay, hapa tuta open what Visual Studio Code hapa. So now katika hii directory address bar nitaandika cmd. Okay, then nitapiki enter, then nitaandika code, nitaacha space, nitaandika // okay. What is this? Shortcut of opening Visual Studio Code. Shortcut kama unaweza ukaifungua kawaida ifungue. Okay, so now open it. Good. So Visual Studio Code has been opened, and okay, so now good. So let's close it. So our project is this one. We have our project, and within our project we have settings.py. Okay, so now open it, settings.py, this one. Okay, and again we have project URLs. Okay, so now open projects.urls. Okay, so now good. What is it? Another step is path to project URLs. So now copy it. After copying, come to our project URLs and duplicate, paste. Okay, so now I'm going to paste. Now you can see hapa na error imeandikwaje, include is not identified. So now path comma include sababu ni library, then error itakuwa ipo. Now save changes, come to settings.py as well. So open settings, then register admin LTE application in installed apps. Hapa kwenye installed apps, register your application admin LTE. Okay, so now good. Remember, admin LTE is independent application. Okay, in any way tuko lazima ufanyie registration kwenye installed apps. Command to install registration, add admin app theme to settings. So now this is a command. So now copy it. Okay, on settings now, make sure ipo kwenye first option. Make sure ipo kwenye first option. Now let's create it. Create a quotation, comma, inside quotation, paste. Okay, so now good. Now save changes and good. I think installation, still installation. Okay, I think installation bado inaendelea. Okay, so now good. Yes, here hapa close it. Okay, good. Another step is database. What? Database connection. Database connection, you are going to use MySQL database, and in order to use MySQL, make sure that you have downloaded XAMPP. Okay, so download XAMPP. So go to Google, hapo download XAMPP. So XAMPP. So just write XAMPP. Okay, and XAMPP download and click it. Okay, now good. So come to select this first link to download XAMPP. Okay, so XAMPP ni control panel ambayo ina PHP engine, ina what MySQL and so on and so on. So let's come to select current version. This one, then this version download. After downloading, install on your computer. After installation of XAMPP, now come to desktop start button and write XAMPP control panel. Okay, now click it. Good. So tutokea dialog box namna hii. First one, you should start service. Start Apache. Toa service kwa ajili ya ku access website. MySQL start kwa ajili ya ku create database and ku run database as well. MySQL is database, okay? And this is the process ID. Hii process ya Apache imetake space kwenye computer, na hii ndo process ID. This is a Apache web server port number is port number 80 and port number 443. 80 for HTTP, 443 for HTTPS. Okay, and we have a port number for database MySQL. Then start service and open PHP myadmin, then click on admin. Okay, so after clicking, now you can see PHP myadmin has been opened. So now navigate to the left side and create a new database. Click on new. Okay, now give your database name, for example mydb. Okay, mydb, sample db, mydb, any name. Okay, any name. After then click create. Now my database has been created. Database name is mydb. Okay, so now good. After doing so, let's come to copy these parameters. Okay, so open settings.py. Settings.py, this one. So default database Django ni SQLite. It's very light SQLite, but recommended database for Django is Postgres. Because Django ni framework for enterprise systems. Okay, why? Na sababu Django ina run complicated project. Kwa Django ni kwa ajili ya project ambazo ni complicated, na ndio maana database yake ni database ambayo inaweza ikahandle multiple queries simultaneously. Ni Postgres ni powerful ukicompare na MySQL. Okay, so hii ni SQLite, ni default. Recommended Postgres. Sisi tunatumia MySQL just for learning. Okay, na kwa sababu hii ni very simple to use. Postgres ni complicated database as well. So now here we have a parameters. Default engine is MySQL. Database name is mydb. Okay, mydb. Okay, user default MySQL user is root. Password no password. Host is localhost. Port number, this is the port number. After then save changes. Okay, now good. I think you needed to press Ctrl and C, and now installation in take place as we see. Okay, another step is to, let's take it, to install after performing database connection. Kutumia hizi parameter to connect between database ambayo tumesha create and our Django application, we must use connector. A connector is a library, MySQL connector, ambayo tutaweza kuwasiliana baina MySQL and Python. Okay, you can use people install MySQL or people install MySQL client, any. Okay, Now after installing Django admin LTE, after installing now, another step is to install what? MySQL connector. Okay, let's open another CMD here, CMD, then open it. Okay, now again let's activate our virtual environment. Now copy it and open the virtual environment here, activate. Then here we install our MySQL connector. So this is the source code. People install MySQL. Okay, so now copy it again. Then come here, then I can paste it. Okay, people install MySQL. Then click enter to execute. Okay, so now good. MySQL client is the same to this one. MySQL client ambayo ni this one. Inachukua space ndogo sana MySQL client. Kwa install hii no need to install people install MySQL client, kwa sababu hii MySQL tayari ndani yake kuna MySQL client. Bila kuinstall hii huwezi kutumia Django na MySQL. Okay, so now good. After doing so now, after installing admin LTE, I think it has been installed, and after installing MySQL client, I think inanani. Another step is to migrate. Before migration, let's check our libraries. We'll open virtual environment, site packages. Okay, so now let's find admin. This is admin LTE, has been installed, successful. Now open it. Now you can see this is independent app. Okay, why? Because we have templates, static, migrations, admin, forms, models, views, URLs, complete project. This is a complete application. Admin LTE is complete application and is managed by project directory ya project. So inakuwa managed in a project. Okay, which project? Settings ya project. Okay, so now good. Now you can see, I think MySQL okay, now installation has been successful, installed MySQL. Okay, so now let's close it and let's watch hii terminal moja. So another step is to perform migration. So Python, okay, manage.py. I think I need to let me just log in to my CD event virtual environment. Okay, so in again CD I think here. Okay, CD project kwa ajili ya ku access ile manage.py. So remember hapa tuna access manage.py in virtual environment in our project, tuna access manage.py. Okay, so now Python space manage.py migrate. Usipofanya migrations unaweza kukutana na error za kutosha. For example, now Python manage.py run server. Okay, so run server, run our server. Now good, our server ina run kwenye local computer. So now copy it and come to paste wherever. For example, paste hapo. Okay, so now I paste here, then I click enter. What you can see, we have a programming error. Why? Table mydb.django session does not exist. So you need to perform migrations. So come here, current our project in a run, press Ctrl C kwa ajili ya kustopisha. Then let's another Python manage.py write migrate. Okay, migrate, this one, migrate. Okay, then we're clicking enter, migration itaenda kwenye our MySQL database. As you see, no connection error. Okay, no connection error. And MariaDB now is set to my default database. Okay, so now good. And hizi zinazofanyika hapa migrations zilizokuja kuapia hapa katika sorry, kwenye localhost hapa sija kuonekana huko. Okay, okay, so migration ina yes, okay, good. So migration inaendelea, so good. Now let's refresh our database. Refresh. Okay, good, very good. Okay, so now my DB is our database, and when I click you can see we have 10 tables: group, permissions, users, and so on and so on and so on. After doing so, now let's create a super user. So super user amwezesha kuingia kwenye admin site. So Python manage.py create super, okay, super user. Okay, after doing click enter. So name, for example, super user, for example, any name, Samir. Okay, email address you can put blah 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 at gmail.com, Samir. Okay, at gmail.com. Okay, then password is this one. Repeat password. Password is 2 weeks, yes. And write Y for yes. Then click enter. Good. So now you can run server. Python manage.py run server. Okay, good. So now come to refresh our site. REST3 kuna programming error. Okay, so now refresh it. Good, no error. Then our project na run kwenye localhost. Now let's try to log in. Okay, so now username is Samir, ambao tumecreate pale, and password again, ingiza password. After then click login. Okay, there is no, let's check it, page not found. Let me show you kwa ajili ya ku fix this bug. Okay, so kuja hapa kwenye settings.py. okay, then add login redirection. So now copy it, then come to settings.py and down. Okay, hapo copy it, then we paste it. So login redirect URL to home. Okay, after login redirect it to home. After login redirect it to home page. So hapo kuja kuangalia after login. Okay, after login direct kwenye accounts and profile. So after login redirect it to home. Okay, so now go. Now let's remove this path, remove it, and iache root level. Okay, after then click enter. Now good. So user amekuwa successful, login. Now you can see here log out. Okay, log out link, then log out. Now log in again. My username is Samir. Okay, Samir, login. Now you can see no error. Kwa nini? Login redirection direct kwenye home, lakini nimesha login. Now here you can manage your groups, you can add more users. Okay, you can add more users. Okay, you can log out. This is dashboard and so on. This is home. Here I can change password. Okay, this is the versions, is dashboard version 1, so on and so on. So let's log out. Now suppose na sign up kwa another user. Another user, for example, is Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine. Email jasmine@gmail.com. Password this one. Okay, and then confirm password this one. Okay, okay, now good. Then agree terms and so on, then click register. So now user has been registered successful. So now login and remember me. Login, but hana zile privilege za ku access other users and so on. Kuna privilege anazikosa. Huyu ameingia kama normal user. Okay, so now log out. Let's access logout. Login as a super user. Super user is Samir. Sign in. Okay, and access users. Now you can see Jasmine, so click on Jasmine, then unamassign privilege ya kwanza, then unamassign permissions active, then unampa kuwa staff status and can be super user status also. After then ya huku down na click save, and click save. Good. Now log out. Good. Login as Jasmine. Okay, good. Let's login. Good. So after login now, Jasmine can create a group, can add a group, can create a user, can add user. Okay, can add user. So wanini ana privilege ambazo amepewa na admin. So that is I think important things nimesha recover. Now the important concept first ni hii hapa, unaicopy unaipaste kwenye project URLs. Hii muhimu, inawezesha wewe kuweza kudili na media. Media ni kama zile umeadi customer wako, unaweka passport size, picha zao na nini. So hii unaipaste kwenye project URLs. So unakuja hapa, nita just paste. Okay, now save changes. Another is hii hapa, add static file. Hii hapa pia of course kwenye URLs, copy it. Waja kuchukua kwenye project URLs, kuja hapa chini na yadi. Okay, this one. Good. Then save changes. Then nakuja katika settings.py. Before login redirection nakuja kuicopy hii hapa. Hii. I think hii, okay. So now copy it. Okay, good. Now come to paste on settings hapa. Okay, after then save changes. Good. Then come to our project. This project open, I think hapa, right click, create a new directory. Then this directory is media. Okay, now good. Then after doing so, now I think we have some dependencies to install. Django Bootstrap picker, very important. Install Pilo, install MySQL, I think done. Install Plotly for statistics and machine learning. Spice, Pandas for data frames. Okay, so I will just install. Is not install, is install kwenye virtual environment. Okay, now our folder size imekuwa kubwa, so nikija hapa niki right click on virtual environment, niki click on properties, now you can see folder letu lina MB 136 as ni kubwa in size. Okay, so now project current na run. If we want to create models, if we want to create function in views, okay, so do not create in app, nenda kwenye virtual environment, kwenye lib yapo, kwenye site packages, kwenye admin LTE, then kwenye models hapa ndo tuna create model zetu. Now for example, let's create a single model. Okay, for example, create a class is demo, then model dot, I think models dot model. Okay, models dot model. Okay, so here we will create what your fields. Now for example, I want to create fields hapo. Okay, ngoja click hapo, field ya kwanza. Nataka create field ya pili. Nilisema kwamba kuna for example age. Okay, nataka create field ya tatu, email. Nataka create field ya 4, field ya 4. Sasa kuna artificial intelligence, tutakuja kuionyesha kwenye tutorial inayofuata. Nabonyeza control na I. Hii inaniambia nifanye nini? Namwambia add more, okay, more fields. Add 10, for example 10 more fields. Yeye ataangalia class yangu jina lake, ata learn from previous data, kisha atasema hapo field zinazofuata zitakuwa ni hizi na hizi na hizi. So hii ni artificial intelligence. Okay, kwa hiyo unachokifanya unaenda pale kwenye line ambayo unataka uweke kodi pale. Okay, umeona amezitengeneza hapa. Okay, hapa nabonyeza tu hapa accept, ameshazipachika. Umeona automatic, kuna file path, kuna image, kuna IP, duration and so on, models, JSON field and so on and so on. Ameadi automatic. Now save changes. Come to admin. Admin, where is admin? Admin ni hii hapa, admin.py. Then hapa namwambia sasa admin.site.register, then models. I think I need to import model, then from dot import models. Okay, admin.site.register, then models dot demo, ile class yetu ya demo. Okay, so now save changes. After saving changes, now come to perform migrations. Project, this one is a project. Then Python manage.py, where is Python.manage.py, then naandika hapa make migrations. Okay, after then click enter. I think can't use image field pyro because pyro is not installed. Okay, so now pip install pyro. Now install pyro. Okay, so now click it. Okay, so now pyro, I think it has been installed. Good. Then make migration also. Okay, and we have another error. Okay, IP address field. Okay, let's remove IP address field. So it's just for demonstration. JSON, I think it had a conflict in IP address. Okay, remove it. Now save changes. Now come to our command prompt and make migration again. Migration for admin create, of course demo has been created. Then after doing so, run saver. Good. So now come to refresh your site. Good. Come to this application. Our application is demos. Now when I click on demo, I think programming error, just say admin demo does not exist table. I think it's in your database. Okay, then you refresh it. Okay, now let's perform migrate. I forget something. Migrate. Okay, of course just migrate. Then click enter. Okay, so migrate done. So now run saver. Good. So now come to our project. Then refresh. So you can see now we can add a new demo. Okay, new demo. So let's see a demo. File not found at admin LTE demo add. I think kuna kipande hapa inahitaji URL field. This one, let's remove it. And duration, no problem. Time. Okay, so after doing so, let's recompile our project. Let's make migrations. Okay, now good. Let's migrate to database. This one, I think good. It's run saver. I'm sorry, saver. Okay, run saver. Okay, good. We come to refresh our project. I think there's a problem. Some fields, decimal fields. Let's remove. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, remove it and come to our project. Control C and make migration again. Good. Remove fields, so then migrate. Database. Good. And just let's come to run saver. Okay, run saver. Now good. come to refresh our project. Now good. So kuna fields zinahitaji some dependencies level. So I can add a name, blah 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 blah. I can add the age, I can add the email, I can add the date. I think dates the format bado. Okay. So now save. Data has been added. Then I have one single one object. So when you admin huwa. So suppose I log out. Siwezi kui access demo. Log out. So nikiklik log out, of course high function. Go back. Hii log out high function hapa. Script hii hapa. Hii inafanya kazi. So hii link hapa juu tutaitoa. Okay. So access home. Now siwezi nika access tena ile demo. Ile ipo kwenye admin privilege. Unaona hapa sioni. Ila nikilogin kama user ambaye imekuwa registered na unaweza nikaiona demo hii hapa nika add data. Okay. So katika next episode tutakuja kuona how to customize interface, kuweka vya kwetu vinatoka kwenye database, kwa sababu ni system ambayo ni driven, okay? Kwa ajili ya kuweka material design icon, tutakuja kuweka Google Fonts. Kwenye project yetu tulitumia Google Fonts. Umeona hizi tutatoa, tutaweka Google Fonts. Install plotly, tutaonyesha hizi za kwetu. Of course hizi zimetumika JavaScript. Hii ni JavaScript, of course ni chat JavaScript. Sisi tunaenda kutumia plotly hasa ile JavaScript, lakini imekuwa material Python oriented plotly. Hii ni JavaScript pure, plotly ni material design Python. Python imekuwa, yani JavaScript imekuwa material kama ya Python. Kwa hiyo tuna imani inakuwa na efficiency kubwa kwenye upande wa visualizations, okay? And tutaona next episode, okay?